Hi, welcome back. Let's continue the product section. So here we have to add the product details and click register button. We have to register the product details. Okay. So what you're going to do is let's back to our project. So here go to the product section, right? In our class, we have already show how to display the product. Okay, instead of category ID, category name would be display. Instead of the brand ID, brand name would be displayed over here. All things we discussed about our last video. Let's continue the things, right? Now you have an idea. If you want to register if you click register button, it goes to the create function. So store function, right? Okay, store function. So why this function is they created defaultly. If you have any button for create, imagine if you have add button, if you click on this, it goes to the respective page. That's all the things we have to do it here. So we don't have an add button. So we are add and view the data, all the things we are do the same page. So we don't need another page, right? So we have this one importance of the store function, right? Now we have to store the details, right? Now you have to go to the product, right? So here you can see here product name. We already discussed this one. Product name. All right, this is the you will be able to select the product ID, sorry, category ID, brand ID, price. If you enter click register button, it goes to product store, product controller, store action method. Where's the product controller store action method, right? So here, what you're doing is the same thing. What I did in the category, the same thing you just copied, right? Go to here. What I did here is instead of the category, we have to change it as this one as a products. Right, the product. This product. You have to implement the method product. Right, what are the things you are request is coming here, right? So here its flow is working right like this. Here, if I enter the data, product name, category, and price, click register button, right? So where you have to do the things in this registration form, you have to do that kind of activities. Click register button. It goes to product page, product control action method, which is store action method. It's coming over here, get all the data, and it will be create the record via the model. This one should be sending to this model, this product, right? Create the and back to the page, redirect to the same page, right? Now let's file save all. So here we already defined the route as here route also we have created product routes, right? So let's check that. I'm going to create the product TV 21-inch TV, right? A model, I just like a model, right? So category TV, brand LG, price I'm going to write it as 12,000. Click register button. Here, registration successfully. Now here instead of display the category ID, the category name would be displayed over here, right? So what I did here is here, I will be explaining. So let me check our database table. What would be the, you go to the admin. Let me check it. How the database is save the records will be check it first. So as we can see here the product table. You can see here instead of add the product name, you have to add the product ID. Sorry, brand ID, category ID. Okay, that's the thing we have mentioned it over here. Product section we have here. When you add the when you select the record, it's a category ID, it's a category ID. So the for each row here the value we have given here as a ID. That's why this ID goes to the at the database. So here it's display the name over here, category name. When you click register button, instead of add this one, what is the value you are given? Instead of the value you what the things you are given, it would be added. Here brand also we are given the value. So this code is must, right? So don't worry, this code those code I provide you. Don't worry about that. So after complete the system, we have given all the codes, right? That's how we have added, right? Now, when you view the records, right? This section we have talked about this, right? So what I did here is you can see here when you view the records, this is the all the headings. It consists of all the headings. So here product name, category, brand, price, action. So these are the heading. Product name, category, brand, price, action. Right? This is the action. So edit and delete. You will be able to make the action when you edit the record and delete the record. Right? So here inside the T body, what is the purpose we have created the T body, which is this T body, we have displayed our records, these records, which would be displayed inside the T body. Right. After add the record. So first we have to set the auto in. So we have to write the for each loop. Right. This loop products. This products which is coming from where you can see the index page. This products. What's the name you are given? The same name. All the product details should be this from this table. It should be we are getting over here the products table. Here, if you are make here as a plural, we have to make it one by one. You are getting as a singular. Here we have to get is a product name from this table. After that, we have to get the instead of display the category ID. So here in database, it is added as a category ID. We have to get the category name. Okay, so when you display the table. So how to achieve this? So now this point is very important stuff, right? So what I did here is, okay, in this point, you can see the product table. We have to already made the relationship. We got the model. This product table, we have made the relationship. Okay, one to many relationship, right? So how to achieve this here? One to many relationship. One brand as many products. One category as many products, right? So here one to many relationship. So we have tried category belongs to, which is a category table cat ID. So we have a this is the foreign key we have set it here. This foreign key we have set as a category class, which is a ID. So we have to go to the category class. Here is product ID. As many mean is a this category which has more products. So one to many relationship. So the product ID we have called as category ID, right? So there we have made the relationship. The same thing as a brand also. The brand also we have a as many relationship. It's a product brand ID. So these all the things we have to talk about. That's how we have get it. We have to make the relationship over here, right? So how to make the relationship? Product table. We have a category function cat name. Okay, so we have to do this like this. Product table, we have a category function. The same name you have given here. This category, we have get this category function. We already make the relationship of this foreign key. So we can accessible this class. This class we have to accessible these two things. Cat name also we can accessible. Status also we can get it. Because we have to make the relationship. So we need this column name. So we have to get this one here. Cat name will be this, right? Product table, inside the product table we have a category function. Inside the category function we have to, in order to make the category function, we can make the relationship one to many relationship and make the this column we have to get it cat name. This cat name we have to display over here. The same thing as a brand also, we have to look at the brand table. We have to already made the relationship one to many relationship. And here we have to call the brand ID as a foreign key, and we can get the same thing, brand ID. So brand, right? So brand ID, so the product brand ID. So we have to get the relationship, right? So get this one as well. Okay, the same thing. Brand table here, there the brand function. You can see here. In order to call the brand function and get the brand name. So this brand name, you can see the brand name, right? So you can get this one. Okay, after that product price, the product table, we have a product price. We have to get this directly because we no need to join here. These two tables we have to get join the records, right? So after that we have a product table. We have a ID. In order to ID product ID, we have to get in order to ID the record and delete the record, right? That's the thing we have to do it here, right? File save all. Now you can see the record is here available. Now I'm going to store another record, which is a TV 14-inch TV, some name. right? Some number, serial number or something else. Here, price, I'm going to apply the 15,000, click register button. That new TV has been registered here. Perfect, right? So if you want to make the another category, which is what other category? Washing machine. This is another category. Select as true, click register button. Here we have to make it as Sony. I'm going to add another brand. Click register button. Right, it would be Sony is added. So go to, sorry, here we have the Sony. This is a brand. Sorry, we have to accidentally we have added. So here we will be able to remove this one. We have to go to brand. Here we have added the Sony. Select who. Click register button. Register Sony. You have to go to the product. Here I'm going to here. The brand would be Sony's display. Here's washing machine is a category display. I'm going to add some washing machine. Washing machine. Yeah, right. And some other number washing machine. Right. So here we have the price. I'm going to do 12,000. Click register button. Here it's registered. Category washing machine. Brand is Sony. Right. This is how we have professionally make the point of sale system. Right. So the products. Okay. Okay. This is how we have to make the professionally. We have to make the system. Right. I hope you guys you understood the things well. The edit and delete you have to try yourself. I already made this system. Right. Thank you for watching. We have continue the next video in tomorrow, which is a sales part. Okay, so all the things we will be cover about the all the system, all the part we will cover about this one. Thank you for watching.